This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Wylie Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood, HG interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, refrigerator, skylight, leveling jacks, self-contained, slide-out, external shower, awning, air conditioning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 450 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.